In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form in a Canva website. By the end, you'll have a working form embedded right on your Canva page, so visitors can submit responses without leaving your site. This is perfect for contact requests, sign-ups, feedback, or simple registrations, and it only takes a few moments once you know where to look. Start by heading to Canva and opening the website design you want to work on. Make sure you're in the editor for that specific site page. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps option. This is where Canva lets you bring in tools and content that extend what your design can do. Click Apps, then use the search bar to find JotForm. JotForm is a popular form builder that integrates smoothly with Canva, so it's a reliable choice for collecting information. Open the JotForm app from the results, then choose Use in Existing Design. This tells Canva you want to add a form into the design you already have open, rather than starting something brand new. You'll now see options to choose a form. You can select from templates if you want a quick, ready-made layout, or pick an existing form you've already prepared. Selecting a template is a fast way to get a professional-looking form with common fields right away, while an existing form is great if you've already set one up elsewhere. Click the form you want, and it will automatically appear on your page. Canva treats it like an embedded element, so you can work with it just like other objects on your design. To make the form feel at home in your layout, resize and position it. Drag the corners or edges to adjust the size, and move it until it aligns neatly with your headings, images, or columns. Aim for enough breathing room around the form so fields are easy to read and tap, especially on smaller screens. Keep text contrast clear and ensure buttons are visible and accessible. When everything looks right, it's time to make it live. Click Share, then select Publish as Website. Canva will generate a live version of your site with the form embedded. From this point, visitors can fill out the form directly on your page, and their submissions will flow through the connected form system. That's all there is to it. Open your design, add the JotForm app, choose your form, place it cleanly, and publish. You now have a functional, user-friendly form inside your Canva website.